Okay, today is sternum and ribs. So what we need to do patient prep-wise, everything off from the waist up, including necklaces, chains, and if there are any body piercings. Okay. We're going to shield this week, since we didn't shield last week, starting with the sternum. So we're going to start with the RAO. We can't do an AP or a PA because of the spine, so we have to do the RAO to get the spine away from the sternum. How much are we going to bleed?
45. No, however much it takes to get it.
Yeah, which is roughly
15?
15 to 20. So just a little bit. Okay, we are going to start at 40 inches. I'm locked in transversely. I'm perpendicular, and 10 by 12 lengthwise.
Sorry, Miss Lights, that we didn't blurt it out. I said, I'm so sorry, Miss Lights, that we didn't blurt it out. Like I'll let you down.
Oh, that's okay. Okay. Now, we're going to take the full 12 inches in length, and then collimate in to about 8. Okay? So the full 12 inches in length and 8 inches wide. Now, before we turn our patient around, we need to make sure that we're centered to the sternum. And so I'm going to have her just step up here in a lateral position so I can check my centering. I want to find the manubrial notch and where the xiphoid is, and then I want to center about halfway in between. Okay. So once I know that I've got everything included that I need, then I can go ahead and turn her around. Okay. So now I'm going to ask her to face toward the board. And you'll find that looking at the light field here helps you not at all. Okay? So what I'm going to have you do once I position her is come up and let each of you come up one at a time to check how I did this positioning. So you have the patient face forward. Let me place the marker real quick though. Because we're going to do RAO, that puts the sternum in the... since this puts the sternum in the shadow of what?
The heart.
Of the heart. And the heart's on the left. So I'm going to use my left marker because the sternum is going to end up over here on the left side of the body. Okay? You can put it anywhere along this edge. It's fine. Okay? Alright, so I'll have her face forward. I'm going to align the sternum with the vertical line on the board.
Okay.
Okay? And I place one hand on her sternum and one hand on her back. And then I'm going to rotate just enough to where I feel they've cleared each other. Okay? It's not a very big rotation at all. Okay? I'm going to step away from just a hair. There we go. And so then I want that lined up. And see, does this tell you anything?
No.
No. So come up one at a time, and I want y'all to see and feel this rotation. Okay? It's a little bit easier if she just stays kind of PA. She's already rotated. She faces forward. So put one hand to the sternum. And you want to line it up with this line, and then you're just going to rotate her so that you feel it. Okay, keep a hand on here, and keep a hand on the spine. Now rotate her until you